Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can send your current location to someone in Facebook Messenger. So first, let's access our Facebook Messenger by clicking on the messenger icon at the top right corner of a screen. Then once we are in the Facebook Messenger, simply go to that particular chat to which you want to send the current location. So for example, I want to send this chat my current location. Then once you are here, simply click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you have clicked here, it will give you a lot of different options to choose from. Now from these options, simply choose the last option which says location. Once you've clicked on the location, it will ask you to allow the Facebook Messenger to use the current location. Simply click on this allow button and it will give you two options if you are on the latest Android version. The first option is the precise location and the other one is the approximate location. So simply choose the precise location and select the while using the app option. Then once you have selected here, it will ask you to turn on the location services. Simply click on the turn on button in your phone. Then once you have done that, simply tap on the plus icon again and simply choose the location option again, and here you can see that it will give you a prompt to continue. Simply click on the continue button and click on the send current location button right here. Once you have clicked on the send current location, it will process your approximate location, and then simply click on the send current location again. Then here you can see that since the previews are on, it is giving me a notification. You may simply close it, and here you can see that the current location has been successfully sent to this particular chat. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.